projects actually add value to your home? I'm Shelley Holtz with the Holz Group at Keller Williams Realty, and we get asked this question a lot. What should I do to my property to increase its value? Well, there's two areas we're going to unpack today on that topic. Number one is, what costly mistakes should you avoid? First off is any luxury high-end finishes. Oftentimes the cost of those finishes don't give you the ROI when you're trying to sell. Other things like outside hardscape, very expensive, but doesn't necessarily net the return like interior projects do. And also in that area, another costly mistake to avoid would be any do-it-yourself projects that are left undone. When buyers come through your home, they want to see all projects that are in the midst finished. So that leaves us to what should you focus on and what's the best investment in your home to net the highest price. And what we found is keep it simple. We have flooring, paint, and fixtures. Those are the key areas where you invest really low cost, but you get the greatest return. If you have any questions on your home, specifically projects that you should be doing if you're looking to sell in the year ahead, reach out. We would be honored to do a complimentary project consultation. Our number is 651-998-9829. I look forward to hearing from you.